If you're wondering how adding a ridge vent will actually change what your gable vents do, you're not alone because a lot of folks get confused about how these roof vents work together. So, here's the lowdown. Ridge vents sit right at the peak of your roof and they let hot air escape from the attic, which is super important for keeping your home cool and preventing moisture buildup. Gable vents, on the other hand, are usually on the sides of your attic and let fresh air come in or go out depending on the wind and temperature. When you add a ridge vent, it actually helps your gable vents by creating a more effective airflow system. Hot air naturally rises and escapes through the ridge vent, pulling cooler air in through the gable vents. But here's a pro tip. To get the best airflow, you want to make sure your gable vents aren't blocked by insulation or other stuff inside the attic. Also, don't shut off your gable vents if you have a ridge vent. They work best together because one pulls air in and the other pushes it out. If you have an attic fan or other exhaust fans, check how they interact too because sometimes they can mess with this natural airflow. It's smart to keep vents clean and free of debris since clogged vents kill ventilation efficiency. Lastly, remember that every home is different, so you might want to get a quick inspection or advice from a pro to see how your setup can be optimized. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge and gable vents is thinking they can just add a ridge vent and close off the gable vents. That kills your attic's airflow and can cause heat and moisture problems. The fix? Keep both open and balanced for good cross ventilation. Another common problem is blocking the vents inside with insulation or stored stuff, which stops air from moving freely. You gotta keep those areas clear so air can flow like it's supposed to. Lastly, some folks forget to check if their vents are clean or damaged. Clogged or broken vents don't work well and can lead to higher energy bills or even roof damage. Regular checks and maintenance fix this issue for good. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about roofing and ventilation. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to get work and build a good rep in the community.